Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to create sheep photo with the image generator. So guys, now I'm using tools image generation. So guys, I'm just paste the text. Okay, a pirate ship walking off the middle of water in dark sun night with bring moonlight on black background. So I'm just now create 1024 into 768 resolutions. So now create just 16.9. okay, just click to image or costing 5 tokens. So I click generate and wait for loading. So keep watching this video. So I hope subscribe our channel and press bell icon for all notification. Bell icon, don't miss any new video. So guys, I also generate 2 sheep with moonlight. Okay, now I am generate again. I'm just change background moonlight or dark light, just the light black background. Okay, just I'm just on day. Okay, just type day means daylight or the sheep walking water in the dust of the daylight, just different, just night or day light with the bring moonlight. Just cut the moon and replace sunlight. Okay, on daylight background. So I'm just click 5 tokens again, generate 2 AI photo. So guys, wait for response. So keep watching this video. So guys, I am just ready for 4 photo, and just next video I am just change photo to image to video. So goodbye, keep watching this video. So goodbye.